In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate GoHighLevel settings to manage your phone numbers. This is particularly useful if you're involved in activities such as cold calling or need to streamline your communication processes. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to head over to the GoHighLevel platform. To do this, simply open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL to visit the GoHighLevel website. This is the central hub where you can manage various aspects of your business communications. Once you're there, log in with your credentials and make sure you have access to the features we're going to discuss. Next, let's dive into the settings to manage your phone numbers. Look for a settings icon or a menu labeled Settings. You should generally find this in the top navigation bar or sidebar, depending on the layout of your platform. Once you've clicked on Settings, a range of options will appear for you to choose from. Find and click on the Phone Numbers option, which is typically listed under Communication or Account Settings. Upon entering the Phone Number section, you'll see an overview of all your current phone numbers, if any have been set up previously. This is where you can make adjustments, add new numbers, or remove any that are no longer in use. It's your central place for phone number management. Now, if you're looking to add a new number, observe the upper right corner of your screen. There should be an Add Number button prominently displayed. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding a new phone line to your account. It's important to mention that adding a phone number for purposes such as cold calling does incur additional costs. The service is not free, so you'll need to be mindful of any associated fees and decide if this investment aligns with your current business needs. Once you've reviewed the information and made your decisions, whether that's to add a number, view your existing ones, or simply familiarize yourself with the interface, you're essentially done with this basic setup. Managing phone numbers through GoHighLevel is a straightforward task designed to enhance your contact center's efficiency and effectiveness. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate through GoHighLevel to manage your phone numbers, an essential skill for maintaining smooth communications within your business. Whether for cold calling or customer support, having the right setup can make a world of difference. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you utilize GoHighLevel to its fullest potential. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, take care.